Today is our first Academy Connect event, so it's an in-person event and it's just a natural extension of the Academy initiatives we've been running over the year and the Academy Live events.
So there will be learning sessions on different topics that everyone has pre-selected, and then we'll also have the customer roundtables where everyone gets to share a success story with Hornbill and the way they use Hornbill in their company. It will be fun, engaging, and they will learn a lot.
It's always great to come along to these events and kind of meet other people who are using it slightly differently, learning new skills. So it's nice to get back into it and understand how the workflows are put together. So really good session.
If anyone's starting out with Hornbill or you're quite intermediate, something like this can really help you accelerate your kind of progression with Hornbill. So absolutely recommend it.
This is the way to learn and to network and collaborate with people. It's a really good environment and I would recommend it to anyone.
To find out more about these events, we'll be sending emails to our customers with all the Academy information, when the events are, how to register, so just watch out for notifications from us.